Okay, it will be finished soon. Wow. Yes, one we can make like long time, 5 days. Yeah, because we focus, make it focus one by one. We make it good. Okay, because it is like handmade, handmade. So it will be finished soon. Thank you very much for subscribe, for support my video and my creative. When we finish this one, next time we will do other one, new one, maybe other color. We will choose the good color from from cotton or from something to make like that. Okay, now we are to be finished now. We make a hanging hand. Okay, now it is finished now. Okay, it is not easy for me. I think it's very difficult for me, but for her maybe it is for. Sometimes I think it's not easy also. It is hard work made by hand. So thank you so much for support. Okay, now it's finished hanging this. We still had another one here. Okay. Okay. Now it is like we finished this one. We still have one more here. Okay, now we are finished. Finished already. Wow. We still have a bit here. We need put something here like that. Okay. Now for hanging is already. Yes. Yes, new video. Next time we will make other one. But we still have a bit here. Not finished yet. But for this, that's okay. We can hang it already. Okay. So thank you so much for watching my video. And thank you so much for subscribe on my channel. Thank you.